Hi, welcome to Outbound UAE. I'm Alan. Today we're going to be looking at maps and what they are. Essentially, what a map is, as we can see here, is a 2D picture of our 3D world. This particular one shows an area of the mountains that we work in on our courses and some routes in and out. Some key features that we can take from this map are the white line coming in on the top corner here, that's a road. The dotted lines down the bottom, they are dirt tracks. And all the brown and black squiggly lines across it, which are the contours. All of these help to make up the whole picture of what the area looks like. So when we're working with the map, how do we know that it's the right way around? Well, let's take a look at a slightly simple version. Alright, so if we look at this map now, it's a simpler version, but we can see it shows a few things around the edge of the map. In order to get the map the right way round, we need to orientate it. And it's as simple as turning the map till it lines up with the features around us. In this case, the book, ruler, pens, and hand sanitizer. Once you've got that lined up and everything's in the right direction and makes sense, then we can also see at the top of this we have a north arrow, which means we now know north is in that direction, and we can figure out where the other directions are and where we are in relation to everything else. And it's as simple as that. That is orientating your map, and the first stage of getting to know and figuring out where you are and where you need to go.